Grumman 25 Bravo, runway 12 right, clear to land.
Clear to land on 12 right, 4525 Bravo.
Grumman 25 Bravo, you landed on a taxiway.
Oh, I'm sorry, I saw the lights. Certainly did. My apologies. We're going to go to transient.
Grumman 25 Bravo, and unfortunately, I don't have a choice here, but for a possible pilot deviation, I'm going to need you to contact the tower, and please let me know when you're ready to copy the number.
Ready to copy.
And for possible pilot deviation for Grumman 4525 Bravo, I advise you contact the tower on 480-988.
That's 480-988.
Affirmative. And Grumman 25 Bravo, continue taxiing straight ahead on Yankee 3.